Hello and welcome to Galley of the Sun. So this week shot our first 5 videos, and what I bring to you now is what I hope not to be a 100-part series of new creator lessons learned. So new creator lesson learned number 1. So I did a ton of research on starting this YouTube channel. I watched hundreds of videos about shooting and lighting and audio. I didn't really put that much time into studying editing because my thoughts were, hey, when I finally get everything together, my scripts are done, my recipes are ready, I've figured out what I'm gonna cook, I've scripted it out and everything, then I'm gonna shoot a bunch of videos and then I'll spend one day doing a bunch of editing. And that's what I ended up doing. So here we are on editing day, what I've already discovered. So my setup for these videos is a iPad Pro, which is doing the primary video. That's the one you're seeing right now. And then I'm also using my iPhone for secondary shots, for the cutting boards, for the smoker and everything like that. So what I ended up doing, and I did wrong, lessons learned, I hooked my audio up to my iPhone, which is doing the secondary shots. So when I bring these into iMovie, I need to have the primary one, which is my iPhone, on there the entire time. So anytime I edit this, it edits everything else. And then also, most of my videos come from the iPad. So on the iPad, I have those pretty much all the way across the top. So if I wanted to bring in something additional, like the logo for the Galley of the Sun or whatever, or any other video element, well, now I'm dealing with 3 video elements, which I am using iMovie to edit. So I can only have 2 video elements at any one time. So lesson learned number 1. Hook your audio to whatever your primary video means is going to be. If you're only shooting with one camera, you can't possibly screw this up. I might be able to. But if you're using 2 different cameras, whichever one is going to have the majority of the shots on it, that's the one you want your audio hooked to. If you like the information you got here, hit that like button, leave a comment. Maybe I have something wrong, but I don't think so. I think I was wrong and I think I learned a lesson. Thank you very much.